5 seconds. Friends, I am delighted to address the third joint session of both the houses of state legislature on the eve of budget session. At the outset, I am very happy to state that despite several hardships, my government has registered very good progress in achieving the objective of inclusive growth in development as well as welfare sectors and lived up to the expectations of the people. In the last year, the state has suffered series of natural calamities, including one major cyclone which affected the city of Vizag, causing loss of thousands of crores worth of properties. On the other hand, some parts of the state witnessed severe drought. However, it is heartening to note that the efforts of my government have earned applause all over the country in handling natural calamities. At the same time, the farming community appreciated our efficient water management in drought conditions. With the concerned efforts, the state could achieve significant growth during the last year. I am very happy to note that the per capita income has reached 1 lakh rupees for the first time. My government is aiming to double the growth rate in the years to come. By adopting a realistic approach of developing, conserving, and utilizing the surface groundwater resources, we would like to become drought proof state in the country. The emphasis on micro irrigation will focus on water saving technology, and our state will stand first among the rest of the states in the country. The major focus of my government is to complete all irrigation projects in the state and to increase the agricultural production in the next 2 years. You are aware that agriculture provides livelihood to more than 60% of the population. Keeping this in view, the government took measures to increase the productivity levels, and the concerted efforts are giving results. Despite deficit rainfall and heavy rains in some parts of the state, the production of pulses has shown significant increase. The fisheries sector is identified as one of the growth engines under primary sector for achieving double digit growth. The longest coastline in the state is immense potential for fisheries. My government is committed to ensure that benefits of growth reach all sections of the society and launched a comprehensive package of services to achieve its goal. The welfare of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes, and minorities is on the top of our agenda. In order to ensure proper implementation of welfare schemes, the government has enacted subplans for all these sections of the society. The government is aware of the difficulties in the system of scholarships and introduced the monthly payment of scholarships in place of annual payments. In order to ensure better facilities for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes, and minority students, the government has adopted a policy of changing hostels into residential schools. Several steps have been taken under the subplan for the welfare of weaker sections of the society. Several new schemes will be launched to support income generation activities for the rural artisans of backward classes in the coming months. My government will further strengthen the subplan and use the money to eradicate poverty and increase the standard of living of all sections of the society. Health sector is being given utmost importance by my government. In this regard, health insurance coverage has been enhanced. The maintenance of medical equipment in the government hospitals is being made on public private partnership mode to maximize their utilization. All the above measures will ensure improved healthcare facilities to citizens in the state. It is also recognized that education is a crucial aspect for overall development, and the state government is making efforts to make education for all a reality. Strengthening of infrastructure facilities in schools is taken up on priority. With all these efforts, my government is committed to achieve total literacy in the next 5 years. Our state has been a pioneer in implementation of National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, and the programs taken up under this scheme in the state have become a model for the entire nation and found mentioned in the recent economic survey report. In recognition of the performance, our state has secured national award for effective initiatives in transparency and accountability due to the quality power supply to all the domestic, commercial, and industrial consumers, the state has become a role model for the entire country for reforms undertaken in power supply. Thank you.